Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I am going to do a curry sweet potato with walnuts and sesame seeds. Also, I'm going to add some spinach and mushrooms to that curry sweet potato. So I'm going to use the Jamaican curry. So in here I have the Jamaican curry with the black pepper and the garlic powder. I'm also going to use the liquid Braxamino and extra virgin oil. I'm going to hit the pot up and add the extra virgin oil with the liquid Braxamino, and then I'm going to add the curry powder, the garlic, and the black pepper and let it simmer for a little while, and then add the rest of the ingredients in there. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm excited about that. Okay, so I've added the olive oil, the liquid Braxamino, the Jamaican curry, the garlic powder, and the black pepper in here. I'm going to stir it up and I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I've added the walnuts and the sesame seeds. So let me go ahead and add the spinach and the mushrooms in there, as well as the sweet potatoes. Folks, you can smell the curry, the Jamaican curry in there. It's like just getting into that spinach and that mushroom, and it's getting into the walnuts and the sesame seeds. I am going to add the potatoes, and then I'm going to let it simmer for a while. I'm going to add a little bit of water to that, and I'm going to let it sit there on a medium heat for a little bit until the potatoes are cooked. Not overcooked, but at least cooked. Okay, so let's do this. So the potatoes are in, and you can hear the little shimmer going on, and you can see the beautiful colors, the green. A little bit of water. I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to let it simmer and get into the flavors, especially the potatoes. The curry getting in, then all the spices and the flavors getting into those potatoes. So I'm going to cover it up and let it kind of simmer for like at least 10 minutes or maybe less than that, because as I said, I don't want the potatoes overcooked. So let me cover this up and add some water. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we're all done with the curry sweet potato with the sesame seed and walnuts in there, also spinach and mushrooms. If you would like, you can sprinkle some more sesame seeds on there, or you can put some more walnuts on there. It's all up to you. But as I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.